guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, The Traveler's Journal by Isha and Pranjal. So this is our second vlog for a foster dog, and today we'll be welcoming Periwinkle, who's a Labrador and Shepherd mix, 6-year 90-pound dog. So as compared to our first foster Libra, who was just 13 pounds, this is a huge difference in size and everything. So we'll see how the experience is, and we are so excited for this one. Stay tuned, watch our complete video to see our experience with Periwinkle.
So guys, meet Periwinkle. He is a very big dog. Just compare the sizes between Isha and him and you can already see how big he is. But he seems to be very calm and quiet. So here he is.
So we just reached our place and he's huge, man. In cab he was all over me and I couldn't even breathe. So he's in. He's big. He wants cuddles. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's him after half an hour in house. Good boy, you look good boy. So after his lunch, we got him up on our terrace for the first time. We got to know that he is friendly with dogs, but he just came here, so we don't wanna just expose him directly. Finally, after 1 hour, he has sat down to relax. So we have now changed his name from Periwinkle to Milo because Periwinkle was too difficult to say. So now we are giving Milo his first bath.
आओ यहाँ पे आज नहीं करेगा टिड्डी कौन खाएगा खाएंगे ना खा ले भाई कुछ नहीं तेरे को मार ना दे हम.
He is standing here because we are giving him these treats. He's done with his bath and he's been such a good boy. Good boy.
And look how pretty he looks. His fur looks so shiny. So we want to dry him up. So that's why we have taken him upstairs.
This is day 3 and today I went to office and Pranjal was at home. So I'll just see if he gets excited or happy to see me like after 7-8 hours. Good boy.
So Isha came from office and this is how he's greeting Isha.
And he thinks he's still a puppy. He's a puppy.
Sir, good luck.
Hey, you liking it? So it's been 1 week with Milo. He has been so adorable the whole week, and there has not been any walk outside that people don't stop by to compliment him and say that he looks like a big bear.
So Milo is very calm and quiet and he always minds his own business. And yeah, he's really good with dogs, he's really good with adults, and he's also really good with kids. So we have never seen him being aggressive or anything like that. So he's just a sweetheart.
He just wants food all the time. Like, he makes us feel so guilty with his puppy eyes when we are eating, and we cannot eat alone like without giving him a bite. But he's super cute and we love him a lot. While Pranjal makes his food, he waits very patiently. You can see.
And today we are celebrating Raksha Bandhan with Milo. And Isha got Milo a very sweet Rakhi.
Good boy. That's how we spend time together. He's so big, he's just like a big teddy bear. watching our Libra's vlog so seriously. So it's been 3 weeks with Milo now. We are really enjoying the time with him, and we gave him a bath again today, and he looks super fresh and shiny. We just came from outside after 3 hours. क्या हुआ Milo? Milo's new drama, not going for walk. Milo, come.
And here's Isha working from home.
And look at him. Instead of laptop, I have Milo on me and my laptop is in.
So right now Isha is preparing food, and here is Milo sitting and accompanying her.
He always sits like that. Like whenever you are in kitchen doing something, he'll always be with you.
So today it has been exactly 1 month since Milo has been with us.
So today we are going to the adoption event for Milo, which is in Brooklyn. Mixed feelings right now. So we have finally reached the venue. So we just came back from the adoption event, and Milo did not get adopted today. Everyone who was visiting the center and passing by was just complimenting him, petting him all the time, but because of the size, people were not really interested in adopting him actually. I mean, we are happy because he's still with us, but sad because we really want him to go to the forever home. So it's been 1 week after the last adoption event, and we are taking him to another event today in Brooklyn and hoping for the best. We are just waiting for the team to come, and there are so many people here and so many rescue organizations here with their booths and adoptable pets. So let's see how today goes. Milo, go. Guys, in the morning, that's us. So it's been 6 weeks with Milo now. This week we had a video call meeting with one of the potential adopters who really liked Milo, and today they have come specially from Connecticut to meet him. So they are about to reach, and we are so excited. So if they love him, like in the in-person meeting, they might take him home today. So it might be a little sad for us because he'll go away, but we'll be so happy for him. Potential adopters who came have finally decided to adopt him, and we are so happy. We'll just complete the paperwork and all, and then he'll go. So Milo has finally gone to his forever home, and it's been really emotional and hardest goodbye ever. And we really hope he'll love his new home, and we are pretty sure about it. We love the new parents, and they were so happy to have him. So with this, we'll end our vlog and see you guys in our next video.